Okay, this is a quick introduction to Padlet, which is an online tool that we're going to use for the student topic discussions that we would have done in person, as well as later on, don't worry about it now, later on for something related to the final projects, since we're not going to have our ability to kind of interact the way we really wanted to. Okay, so for the student topic discussions, here we are. This is our Google Classroom, which you're already here because you found the link to this video. It's here. It's not here right now because I'm making it right now. Okay, yeah. Instructions. Guess what? The instructions are here. There's a detailed Google Doc that gives you like the timing for everything. So if you're the one posting the resource, you like obviously need to do that before people are supposed to read the resource. Obviously. So there are instructions in this Google Doc about like exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, so read the Google Doc, but I want to show you Padlet. Here is the link to that. You click this link. If you haven't set up an account in Padlet, you're going to have to do that. Super simple. Just set it up with your Aquinas Gmail. You can log in with Gmail. Super easy. So you'll do that, and then it'll bring you to this board. I've got a header. Not all boards are organized like this, but this one is organized with a header. So I've got a header or a topic, column, whatever. For every person, you have to scroll over because there are a lot of us. Okay, everybody's got one. So for you, oh, I was doing a tutorial already and I didn't delete these things. Yes, I want to delete these things. It's trying to protect me. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So if let's say I'm Megan. Hi, Megan. I'm you. I am going to start by posting my file resource, and you can use this to upload. I'm not going to upload anything right now because it'll take a second. So this will be your file, and you'll give it like an actual name. Okay. Then you're going to post a short video of yourself. You know how to spell. Short video of yourself discussing your article, introducing us to your article, or highlighting something that you really think is interesting, something you want us to get out of it, right? But this is just the beginning. You're introducing us to your article. You can do this. You can do something like I'm doing, like making a screencast with Screencastify, or there we are, or Google Meet. I'll give you tutorials on both of those. So you could do it independently and then post that file or a link to that video, like in your Google Drive. You could post that here, or you can record directly in Screencastify. You click those three dots, you can film. If you don't have video capabilities where you are, you can do an audio. If you don't have either of those, then just post a document, right? Just type something out and post it for us. Okay, we're all doing our best. All right, thing number 2. Thing number 3 is a list of questions, a short list. Maybe they're questions / like comments, like things you want us to look at. Questions that might make us think, questions. If you have questions, maybe you're posting something that you've written and you want some feedback on it. Then in the questions, you'd want to say like specifically what feedback you're looking for. Okay, just in things to generate discussion, which is what this whole thing is trying to do. Okay, now I'm someone else. I'm not Megan. I'll be Jessica because she's right there. So now I'm Jessica, and I am going to come over here. I'm going to read Megan's file, watch her video, look at the questions. I could add a response from Jessica, right? Maybe I want to do a little film response. Or an audio response, or I want to link an article that I found that relates to this and I think is really interesting, or hey, I read this article and it might be really useful for your paper, right? So you're engaging somehow with this post. You can also comment right on it. So I read the file and I have a great comment and I want to put it there, right? So you can do that. If you log in with your Aquinas email, then your comments are going to easily have your name there on them. All right, I've got 30 seconds. So that's what you're doing. You don't have to comment on everyone's, although it would be great if you did. I wish I hadn't said that. I would like for you to comment on everyone's, but I know that it's going to get filled up with a lot of stuff. It does scroll down as far as we need it to scroll down. So, just keep adding comments this way, or add your own boxes. Check the Google Doc for more information. See ya.